In this video, you'll learn how to make your Twitter account private. By following these steps, you will control who can see your tweets and interact with your account. Begin by opening the Twitter app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, locate and tap on your profile icon, which is usually found in the upper left corner of the screen. This action will reveal a side menu. Next, scroll down the side menu until you find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on this option to proceed. You will then see a new screen with various settings related to your account. After that, select Privacy and Safety from the list of options. This section contains all the privacy-related settings for your account. Once you tap on it, you will be directed to a screen where you can adjust your privacy preferences. Now look for the option titled Protect Your Tweets. This will be a toggle switch that you can turn on. Once you activate this option, a confirmation prompt may appear to verify your choice. Confirm the activation to ensure your tweets are protected. Finally, it is important to note that with your account set to private, only approved followers will be able to see your posts. To manage your followers, you will need to manually approve new follower requests. This can be done by checking the notifications section for any pending requests and choosing to approve or deny them. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.